Everyone, welcome back to our second video for this week of English home learning. So the week of the 18th of May. Okay, so in the last video we were learning about some of the Greek gods and we read lots of information about different Greek gods. So the next part of the video is just going to put those Greek god information pages up again for you, and you'll be able to read through and pause on all three of those pages just to remind yourself about some of the different Greek gods. Okay, so pause as you get to each page and make sure you read the information really carefully. Okay, so now you've read all that information about the Greek gods and you've got your fact files from the other video as well, or your mind maps to help you. These are some of the tasks that I'd like you to complete now over the rest of this week. So the first one is to interview one of the gods. Write an interview between you and one of the Greek gods. So we've done interviews now in a few of our videos, so we should be getting really good at these now. So you decide what questions you'd like to ask the god, and then you write down the answer for what you think the god would say to your question. So that's the first task for you to have a go at. Second task is, can you think up a story involving some of the gods that we've read about? Now, lots of the gods do have actual stories about them, and I don't really want you to have a look at some of the actual Greek stories because we will be reading some of them later in the year, but I want you to see if you can think up a story that might happen with your god. Knowing what you know about them so far, what kind of things might happen in a little story? And the third thing I want you to have a go at is to create a Who Am I quiz for a family member, or maybe even for me. You could try and challenge me with a Who Am I quiz. So this is what I mean by Who Am I quiz. So here we are, look. I've done a bit of a Who Am I bubble, some puzzle questions. Who am I? I have a twin sister. I go out hunting with my dog. Some animals like bears and stags are sacred to me. So if I went back to my information, I'm looking for somebody who has a twin sister and goes hunting with the dog. Okay. Oh, well, I can see here Artemis. Look, I've spotted already hunting dog. Let me see if she has a twin. She's a twin sister. Oh, yes, she's a twin sister. And it says here, look, that some animals are sacred to her, bears and stags. So that's Artemis, I think. One. Who am I? That should say I am a twin sister. But yes, I am Artemis. Okay, so you hide your answer from the person who's doing the guessing and you put your riddles here to try and work out who they are. The fourth thing that I want you to have a go at this week is to try and make yourself a matching pairs game to play with somebody in your family. So you draw the god on one card, or you could just write the name of them if you're finding it tricky to draw them. And you write some facts about them on another card. Jumble them up and see if they can be matched. So you can see here a little example. We've drawn a picture and written the name of the god on one side, and then they've written a couple of facts about them. You turn them all upside down or mix them all up and see if you can match them. Okay, you could even hide them around your house, try and find different ones, see if you can match them up. Okay, so there's 4 different things for you to have a go at for the rest of this week. Remember, these are the things that I want us to really focus on this week in our work. Making sure we've got capital letters and full stops, making sure we're joining up our handwriting, making sure we're adding detail to our sentences, and making sure that we're checking those spellings from the year 3 and the year 4 cards. Okay, so there's the 4 tasks for you to have a go at this week. Have fun. Try and choose as many as you can. Don't forget to send them to me when you've had a go. Okay, I look forward to seeing all of your different work for the rest of this week. Bye for now.